We want to find the equation of the tangent to the circle x minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared is 8 at the point 4, 5. We can draw a sketch to help us with this. So we'll draw some axes. And then we want to draw a circle. The centre of the circle we can read off from the equation is at the point 2, 3. And we're interested in the tangent at the point 4, 5. So here's the tangent at the point 4, 5. If this is the radius that touches at the point 4, 5, we should know that the angle between a tangent and a radius is always 90 degrees. We can work out the gradient of this radius. The gradient of the radius will be the difference in the y-coordinates, 5 minus 3, divided by the difference in the x-coordinates, 4 minus 2. This is 2 over 2, which is 1. So the gradient of the radius is 1, which means the gradient of the tangent is minus 1. We should know that when two lines are perpendicular, the product of their gradients is always minus 1. It also goes through the point 4, 5. So if we have y equals mx plus c, 5 is equal to minus 1 times 4 plus c. 5 equals minus 4 plus c, so c is equal to 9. We know the gradient and the value of c, so we get y is minus x plus 9 as the equation of our tangent to the curve.